thanks for joining me today.
Yeah.
In this video, I got two games for you, a TDM and a really short 2-fort battle. Really appreciate it if you would shoot that subscribe button and like this video. It'd really help me get this channel started. Enjoy.
Yeah. I mean, I'm like an old guy. So.
Wearing a mask?
Hope so. Oh yeah, I see a guy out there.
Yeah, this guy's.
Watch back here. Watch back here.
Oh,
He's right there.
oh, hit. Good shot. That guy right there in the black. I can hit him.
I'm reloading.
Index was called shortly after that last hit, and I made my way back to the green zone. But we did have a second battle, a 2-fort battle, where you had defenders in the forts and attackers. I was an attacker. Attackers had 2 lives, defenders had 2 lives. Once they got hit, they become an attacker. I literally did nothing and died almost as soon as the game started. I made my way all the way around the field and attacked from the backside. I did manage to get 2 hits before the game ended. Shortly after arriving at the second fort, the first fort got overrun and all those defenders became
Next!
attackers. After my second kill, they came storming over to the second fort and took everybody out, and index was called. Today was an awesome day. I got a lot of exercise, and I got to meet up and renew friendships with a lot of old friends. Until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you in my
Index,
scope.
guys. Index. Quit playing.
And until then, here's another video that you can watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shreq out.